Hey friends, how to move photos from Google Photos to album. For this, go to the library and in library choose camera. In camera, choose photo which you want to move to album and then tap 3 points in top right corner. Then you can move it to folder, tap move to folder, then allow photos to modify this photo, allow, and choose any folder to move it photo. Or if you want to add this photo to album, tap add to album and then create new album. For example, sugar album and then click done in left top corner. And this photo was moved to sugar album. If we tap add to album once more, we see that this photo in shared album, which name is sugar album. If you have any questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.